Hey, John Shields here with Chesapeake Bites. We need a little more ingredients for our salad. I'm at Gardener's Gourmet, which has some of the most beautiful greens in the world. And I'm going to get some arugula if I can.
Very good. Half a pound?
Half a pound's great. We'll meet you in the kitchen, make a little salad. Well, that was quite the shopping expedition. And we're back, right like magic, into the kitchen with some beautiful corn and all kinds of things. We're going to make a salad today, and it's a lovely summer salad. It has all kinds of colors and vibrant stuff. So it's an arugula, tomato, and in the cookbook, a tabbouleh salad. But you know, I was thinking, you don't always have to do what's in the cookbook, do you? No, you don't. So I was around perusing what was in the aisles, and I came up with some couscous. And I thought, you know, couscous would be absolutely wonderful in this salad. So that's what we did, all right? So bulgur is a wheat, okay? And it's a flat leaf thing, and you'll find that a lot in tabbouleh. Whenever you go to get a tabbouleh, it's a very light, essentially it's a parsley salad. But what we did is I took the couscous and just put some hot boiling water on it, let it sit for a little bit with some delicious olive oil, and that's going to be the base of our salad. The rest of it's going to be all kinds of gorgeous, gorgeous vegetables. So let me start with some of the things that I have here. I have these, look at these luscious tomatoes from Bartenfelder Farms. I got the tomatoes from them, I got corn from them, I got all kinds of things from them that was delicious. So for this salad, really all you need to do is chop these tomatoes up. They don't have to be fancy chopped. I don't like them minced, but I also don't like them too coarse. So if you're watching what I'm doing here, I'm getting them into kind of a medium to small dice on this. And you want them when they're nice and ripe and flavorful. And we're in the Chesapeake, we're in Maryland, and we fight with New Jersey sometimes, but I think we do have the best tomatoes in the world. So there you go. Alice Waters would disagree with me, but we'll have to talk about that later. Okay, so here we do. We're going to take our gorgeous tomatoes, put those right in to our couscous. Easy peasy. And then, with the magic of paper towels, I'm going to just clean this up a little bit so we can continue our cooking thing. Another nice thing, spring onions, green onions, anything like that will give a really good bite and flavor to it. So if you see, I'm just doing these kind of on the bias. I'm not dicing them. I'm just doing them kind of like on a diagonal. Real quick like. You can use these. Actually in the garden outside of Gertrude's, we have some really nice chives that are coming up. And they would work just beautifully in this too. Whenever you're doing any kind of recipe, remember, you can kind of make it your own by doing whatever you have or whatever you have around you. Let your creativity flow. All right, there we go. Look at that. It's like Vegematic right there before your eyes. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we got that there. All right, let's see what else we have. All right, I went over to Gardener's Gourmet. I love them. They have some of the most beautiful greens, as you saw. And I'm going to take, about a big 1.5 cups, kind of 1.5 cups of arugula. I love arugula. It's got that peppery, like, little bit bitter. It wakes you up. Very gorgeous. And then I thought, this is not in the original recipe either, but we have this gorgeous sweet corn from Bartenfelder's. You're saying, what is he doing? He's lost his mind again. He didn't cook it. Well, no, you don't. You don't need to cook. That's a fun fact to know about corn, especially the summer corn, the sweet summer corn. It is just absolutely perfect, cut right from the cob, and it's fresh, it's wonderful. I make a great sweet corn and crab salad with sweet peppers. Unbelievable. And I do not cook one bit of that corn. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the corn. We're going to throw that in there, like so. And then we probably need to season this up just a touch. And to do that, we're going to do some fresh lemon, like so. I'll do about 2 of these here. And then I'm going to take a little bit of cracked black pepper, put that all over there, like so. And then we also have almost a local olive oil here in Maryland, but it actually comes from Sparta in Greece, but it's our friends from Dimitri olive oil. And with this, I would put in about 1/4 cup, but as Dimitri says, or the people in Greece, the more the merrier, and you're gonna make you feel really, really good. All right, so let's take this, toss it together. I think I also might just take a pinch of sea salt. You know, any of you that's watched me before, you know I always love this Celtic sea salt. And whenever you use one of those sea salts, you can use a little bit less than you would kind of just a domestic Morton type salt. So look at this. So basically, if you're thinking about what do we have here, we have a lemon vinaigrette with an absolutely amazing olive oil. If you can't get like a local olive oil, just get the best extra virgin olive oil that you can get, because it makes a big difference in this salad. All right, let's see what we have here. We have a plate, and now I'm going to take the salad, like so. We're going to put it in this. You obviously could put it on a number of smaller plates. But you know, in the summer, you try to get dramatic. You want it to look beautiful, and this is what we're doing. All right, we have that. Doesn't that look pretty? But we don't stop there. We're going to add just a little bit more of a little bit of chev, little bit of goat cheese, just to garnish this on top. And if you want to go crazy, like you've lost your mind and you want to show off for everybody who's coming over, how about toasting some pine nuts and just finishing it off with that? So there you go. We've been to quite a number of farmers market stalls, which you also can find on marylandsbest.net. And I don't know what to tell you, but this is one dang beautiful salad. So enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on our common table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.